I'm about heading to the gym right now, and there's something going on Bitcoin that you quickly need to pay attention to. So you might want to stick around till the end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you guys the trade setup we took on BTC USDT and Zcash USDT. First off, let's quickly take a look at Bitcoin at the moment. Right now, this is BTC USD on the daily, and what we are currently looking at right now is we are currently wanting to reclaim this level right here. So did we made a bearish drop towards the downside, and I spoke about this old bear flag that we are currently creating right now. That if we see a slight break below this bear flag, it means we could possibly have our way towards the downside. Currently, what I'm looking for on Bitcoin right now is for us to actually reclaim this level right here. And what do I mean by that? Today is Wednesday, and before the week runs out, if we fail to see a break above this level right here, maybe a kind of a little bit of sell-off on this resistance, because this was a previous resistance, then a break above this level, then I'll be flipping from my thesis from bearish to bullish, because it's Wednesday and we are close approaching the weekend. As we all know that the crypto market usually dumps during the weekend 70% to 80% of the time. So if we actually see a break above this level, maybe an impulsive move towards the upside before the week runs out, then I'll be flipping my thesis from bearish to bullish. But as it stands now, if we fail to see a break above, maybe before the week runs out, maybe we see kind of a rejection, then we would be going over to these levels at around 79 or even $80,000 for BTC. But we don't want that now. We want to slowly move our way towards the upside, then break above this resistance level right here before we see a parabolic run for Bitcoin. So let's we zoom down to the 1 hour time frame. Let we see what price is actually doing right there on the 1 hour time frame. So for price right now, we are making a series of higher lows on the 1 hour. This was the previous low we made. We made another higher low, and price is wanting to break this support bear flag trend line that we kind of break below on the daily time frame. So what I want for Bitcoin right now is that there is a resistance on the 1 hour at this level at $91,000. So we just need a clear break of a structure or a change of character above this level, maybe a little bit of a retest on the 1 hour to mark this level, this previous resistance as support. Then we'll actually see a break towards the upside, and that will be good for Bitcoin, because that will kind of flip my thesis from a bearish to bullish. So that's what I'm actually looking at. If not, there is still a possibility that price is creating another bear flag pattern on the lower time frame. You see that this is actually a bear flag pattern that's actually forming on the 1 hour time frame, and this bear flag pattern might eventually play out, because if we kind of see a rejection, and we're possibly seeing a rejection around this level, but if we see maybe a bearish momentum breaking below this support trend on the 1 hour, then a little bit of a retest that will actually move price down to these levels right here at $82,000. So we don't want that. We just need a clear spike towards the upside, then a break above this resistance at $91,000. So let me quickly show you guys the trade setup on BTC USDT we took. That trade hit stop loss because I was anticipating for a short when on the daily time frame, when price broke below that bear flag pattern. I was kind of flipping bearish, so I saw an entry to go short on Bitcoin, so I took that entry, and eventually price did not play out as we wanted, did not move in our direction. So this was what I saw. I saw the clear break of structure to the downside. I marked out this other block right here, and went down to the lower time frame for a confirmation entry. Then I took this trade and stopped us out this morning. And let me show you guys the trade setup we are currently on. We are running a little bit in profit on Zcash USDT. So let me quickly show you guys this setup. The trade wanted to stop us at, but based on my my entry model, because I do like giving space for breathing space for my stop loss in case price want to manipulate or grab liquidity, so it won't stop me out. So this was what the trade is actually looking like. Entered around this place, and price I wanted to stop us out at around this level, but I put my stop loss at around 1316, 316, and right now we're currently in a little bit of profit, and my take profit is currently at $496. So I'll be looking forward to take a bit of profit at this level, at this current supply level, resistance level right here. This red line, I'm going to take like 70% of profit, then I'll leave the remaining one to run till TP before I actually close the trade. So before I actually close the trade, so that is what I'm currently looking at for. So guys, that is what I'm currently looking at for Bitcoin right now. If we maybe see a spike towards the upside before this week runs out, then we could actually break the daily resistance level. So if you want to join my free Telegram community, so the link to my free Telegram community is in the description of this video. Peace.